Hello lovely knitters, I'm Merion from Love Crafts. We've had so many questions from our knitters about how to fix common mistakes. So here's a little video to help you learn how to fix them. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you how to frog a whole row of knitting. Now, frogging means ripping back your knitting, and because knitters have a great sense of humour, when we say rip it back, it sounds like rip it, frogs. So that's why it's called frogging. So have a look at this. Here's our piece of knitting, and I'm going to rip back a whole row. Now it seems a bit scary, but what we're going to do is take the needle out of the stitches. So I'm just very gently, and make sure you really take your time, take the stitches off the needle, and there you have a piece of knitting with no needle in it. I'm just going to pull the working yarn very gently to pull out the next row of stitches. You see, as I'm pulling them out, and I go slowly with this, unless you're pulling out lots of rows, take your time very gently because you don't want to pull out more than you want to. I'm going to actually use the needle pointing towards me, picking up these stitches so that the stitches don't twist, which will make it a lot easier when you come to knit the next row. If you find you have got a twisted stitch, you can just turn it round, but this makes it a lot easier. So there's the last little stitch. I'm just going to pull that out. Boom, there it goes, and pick it up. So I'm going to turn the knitting round, and let's have a look how they sit on this row. So these are all sitting perfectly straight. Can you see that these ones are slightly angled? So when I'm going to come to, this is a purl row, but I'm going to purl this one here. It's sitting on the wrong way on the needle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it off and then just sit it back on the right way. There we go. So I'm going to purl that one. And again, this one's perfectly okay. So I'm just going to purl that one. This one is twisted. So I'm just going to lift it up with my right hand needle and then turn it round so it's back on the right hand needle. All you would need to do now is just carry on working the rest of the row.